Avo Toast with poached eggs is one of my favorite breakfasts, and this recipe is a little different because I'm going to cure the eggs with my dashi sauce. All you have to do is boil the eggs and marinate them in my dashi sauce for 2 days. For this recipe, you will need to make my dashi sauce. This sauce is super easy to make and you can use it with many other dishes. Just click the link above and watch my dashi video. First, boil some water in a pot. Make sure always use the cold eggs. Gently lower each egg into the boiling water. Use a ladle to make sure they don't crack. While the eggs are boiling, swirl them a few times. This will make sure the egg yolks remain in the center. Boil the eggs for exactly 6 minutes. Fill a bowl with cold water and ice. Turn off the heat, then gently put each egg into the ice-cold water. Cool the eggs in the iced water for at least 3 minutes. This will make them easier to peel. Place the eggs in a jar and fill the jar with my dashi sauce. Place some kitchen paper on the top. This will ensure the eggs are cured evenly in the dashi sauce. Place the eggs in the fridge and leave them to cure for 2 days. These eggs have been cured for 2 days now, so I'm going to show you how they look before and after being cured. I've soft-boiled both of these eggs for 6 minutes, and as you can see, the cured egg has become much firmer. The cured egg white has nice color on the outside, and the yolk has become thicker and creamier by absorbing all the dashi flavor. My dashi cured eggs are full of umami and match perfectly with smashed avo on toast. Simply mash some fresh avocado in a bowl. Sprinkle with salt and some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Place the smashed avocado on some toasted sourdough. Then place the cured egg on top. Drizzle with some extra virgin olive oil and add some pink pepper. This is my go-to breakfast on the weekend. Smashed avo with dashi cured eggs. Have you ever wanted to make your favorite Japanese dishes at home? Subscribe to my channel and discover easy to make dishes packed with umami.